What is up, everybody? It's Court from Cody Media. Want to talk to you about a couple of tips for Facebook Lives that you can use for your restaurants. I love Facebook Lives because when you record it, all you have to do is hit upload and it's done. You don't have to do any editing. It's so easy and you can have a video posted in a couple minutes. But there's a couple of little things you can do that'll make yours even better so that more customers will watch and engage. Number one is don't dilly-dally. Okay, what I mean by that is how many times have you watched a Facebook Live and someone's like, okay, I'm gonna wait. Let's see I'm gonna wait for a couple more people to jump on. We're gonna wait for a couple more people. I'll give it a couple more minutes. How's everybody doing today? Okay, that's boring, right? Most people are gonna watch your videos on replay. They're not gonna watch it live unless you did some huge thing to build up all kinds of anticipation. 90% of all people are going to watch it back later. So if you start the first minute or two just kind of like jibber jabbering about like, oh, I'm going to wait for some people are going to quit. They're going to either skip forward or they're just going to leave. You don't want that. So when you're doing a Facebook Live, get right into it. Get right to the point. And don't dilly-dally. That leads to number two is show us action. Okay, I like using this so I can draw because it's the teacher in me, but if you're a restaurant, show action, show us doing something, show the food, show us you making the food. Take us on a tour of the restaurant. Let's see some action. People want to see that. That's the power of video because it's so visual and we can see so many things. So give us the action. What does it look like to make the pizza? What does it look like to make the drinks? Take us on a tour. Show us how to order online. There's so many things. Give us some action. Number three is kind of just on camera, a couple of on camera things. Number one, this is kind of 2 for 1 here, is look at the camera. All right, now this is a little thing, but it's so easy to do when we're having a front-facing camera where we can see ourselves. Okay, watch my eyes here. Right now, I'm looking at the camera on the phone. Now I'm looking at myself. Do you see the difference? Okay, and it's subtle, but if you can look at, I'm pointing to the camera right here, that'll make a big difference versus looking at yourself. People can just tell. Number two is wave and smile. So I always like to start videos by waving because when people are scrolling and you're waving at them, they're like, hey, someone's saying hi to me, okay? And if you smile, it just projects energy. It just, it makes you more natural on camera. I found that over and over again. So, can't quite see that wave and smile there. So those are my 3 quick tips for Facebook Lives and they make a big difference. Don't dilly-dally, get right to the point. Show us action, show us you doing things. And number 3, when you're on camera, look at the camera and wave and smile. So if you have any questions or you have your own tips, I'd love to hear tips you have on Facebook Live. Drop them in the comments below or send me a message. Love to hear about your experience with doing Facebook Lives and things that you see that get more engagement for customers. So that's all I have. I hope everybody's having an awesome day and I will talk to y'all soon. Bye.